albatross, 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 flying high and free. Albatross. B is for bluebird, bluebird, bluebird singing in a tree. Bluebird. C is for crow, 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 clever as can be. Crow. D is for duck, 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 swimming happily. Duck. E is for eagle, 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 soaring through the sky. Eagle. F is for flamingo, flamingo, flamingo standing tall nearby. Flamingo. G is for goose, 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 honking as it goes. Goose. H is for hummingbird, hummingbird, hummingbird buzzing near a flower. Hummingbird. I is for ibis, 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 graceful and bright. Ibis. J is for jacana, 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 stepping light and free. Jacana. K is for kingfisher, 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 colorful to see. Kingfisher. L is for lark, lark, a lark singing merrily. The lark. N is for macaw, macaw, bright as can be. Macaw. N is for nightingale, nightingale, a nightingale singing sweetly. Nightingale. O is for ostrich, 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 running happily. Ostrich. P is for peacock, peacock, dancing gracefully. Peacock. Q is for quetzal, quetzal, beautiful to see. Quetzal. R is for robin, robin, chirping in a tree. Robin. S is for sparrow, sparrow, happy as can be. Sparrow. T is for toucan, toucan, colorful to see. Toucan. U is for umbrella bird, umbrella bird, special as can be. Umbrella bird. V is for vulture, vulture, soaring gracefully. Vulture. W is for woodpecker, woodpecker, W, woodpecker tapping on a tree. Woodpecker. X is for xenops, xenops, tiny as can be. Xenops. Y is for yellow hammer, yellow hammer, yellow, bright and free. Yellow hammer. Z is for zebrafinch, zebrafinch, dancing